how to print square number pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, in every line 5 numbers are available. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration increase I value by 1. Print the result. Print I plus 1 is going to print number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Along with every number, a space character is appended. Here I plus 1 is type of int. Convert it into string to avoid type error. Now in the first line there are 5 ones. Now in the pattern, in every line 5 numbers are there, so multiply this number string with 5. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py square.py. This is our expected number square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number square pattern.